no, to file the appropriate charges against him. This is this is criminal. Mga hayop to mga tao to, hindi tao to mga to. Alam nyo, naalala ko 2 years ago, si Senator Joel Villanueva, who hails from Bulacan, already talked about this in the Senate. No, he already called it out as early as I think 2023. No, and you know, I would like to personally thank Senator Joel. No, because as early as 2023, he was already calling this out. No, I know he's being accused of a lot of things, but the fact is, in 2023, when this was not yet a thing or hat, Senator Joel was already calling this out. No, and in fact, I spoke to him and I said I was coming here, and he said, and he told me, marami pa dyan. And I think that is absolutely true, because that's what we're getting also from DPWH. Bulacan pa lang to. Bulacan pa lang to. So, ano talaga? Nakakarindi tong ganito. I can just imagine how angry the president is. Kasi hindi tao yung gumawa nito, hayop. Mga hayop ang gumawa nito, hindi sila tao. Para gawin nila ito sa mga kampanya natin. And believe me, itong mga hayop na ito, makakutulong.
So yung sa Wawaw, di ba Arevalo po yun? Talaga bang dami lang yun?
Well, lahat tayo nanood ng Senate hearing. Anong tingin niyo?
So inaalam pa po yun talaga?
Siyempre, kailangan nagamin natin yun. Kasama yan sa investigasyon ng Ombudsman o ng DOJ, at pagka nabuo na po yung Independent Commission na binubuo ng ating Pangulo, sila din ang mag-imbestigahan. Pero siguro naman, kita-kita naman natin ng Senate Blue Ribbon. Hindi. Today, I'm going to announce, number one, Henry Alcantara, effective today, is dismissed from the... Ngayon, he suspended it. Okay, he is now dismissed. I will call for a summary dismissal of Henry Alcantara. And next week, I will ask the DPWH legal to recommend filing charges, the appropriate charges against Henry Alcantara.
Criminal?
Whatever, well, obviously criminal to. No, criminal to. Pag nanakaw ito 100 million. 100 million. 100 million. So, si Henry Alcantara, dismissed, and we will recommend filing of charges with the Ombudsman. Bryce Fernandez, JP Mendoza, I will already begin proceedings of dismissal. No, may proseso tayo dyan, kailangan nating sundin yan. Pero sisimulan na natin yan, at hindi ako magtataka na madidismiss na rin to very, very soon. Pero hindi na natin hihintayin yun. Papafayagan na rin natin kasabay ni Henry Alcantara ng appropriate charges sa Office of the Ombudsman. So I will order the DPWH legal team to already prepare the necessary recommendations supported by documents such as this, no, to file the appropriate charges against them. This is this is criminal. Mga hayop to mga tao to, hindi tao to mga to. Isa pa lang to, by the way. Isang project pa lang to. Finally, no, I will also order the perpetual lifetime blacklisting of Wawaw builders from DPWH and all their possible affiliates. No, alam naman natin, minsan may mga kung sino man ang may-ari ng Wawaw, meron din siyang mga ibang, lahat yun. Hindi lang, kung mahanap namin yung mga kumpanya na sila din ang may-ari, kung sino ang may-ari ng Wawaw, pati yun, papaban natin. Papaban ko na rin, i-announce ko na rin, papaban din natin, kasabay ng Wawaw, yung SYMS, yung SIMS, na gumawa ng proyekto na nakita ng ating Pangulo nung nakaraang mga linggo, na ghost project din. Sinabi natin, no, pag ghost project, kailangan automatic perpetual ban, lifetime. And then, second, we will also recommend the filing of charges with the Department of Justice against Wawaw builders and against Sims. And all the people involved here, both those who are clearly dummies and the real owners or the beneficial owners, depending on the investigation of the DOJ. No, and later on, maybe the independent commission to be formed by the president. But let me just end with this. No, the president has repeatedly said, and this was his clear marching orders to me, that we must not allow this to happen anymore, and to hold people who have done this to account.